guys, and welcome. My camera keeps moving, and welcome back to another video. This is a continuation of the Glitterbels Advent Calendar series that I'm doing, and we are doing the next 4 days, which is number 13 to number 16. So let's get into it. Number 13 comes in this cute little squib box. Ooh. And it looks like we have a Glitterbels Unbelievable gel in a I'm Not Sorry, so like a dark red. I will swatch these, by the way, for you guys. Then number 14 is another box, but with the colours reversed. Oh, and it looks like we have a glitter and a pinky purple. Very nice. Then day 15, we have a big box. It is very light for such a big box. So let's open it up and oh gosh, there's stuff all over it. So it looks like we have a acrylic unicorn bauble to go on the tree. So that is really, really nice. Day 1 we also got a bauble, but I wasn't impressed with that one. This one is much nicer. I do like this one, so I will find some way to put that on my tree. And then day number 16 comes in a box like this. It is quite heavy. So let's open it up and see. Ooh, we've got a full-size gel polish. Now when I say full size, it's because they do 2 different sizes. They also do a size like this, which is, as you can see, you know, it's only half the size. So this one is called Stylish, and it looks like a pale pink. Yes, a pale pink. So I will just go and swatch these and I will be back, guys. So to recap everything that we got for the next 4 days, we got this Glitterbels Unbelievable gel, which is this really nice dark red colour, and it is a really thick gel, and I am excited to try and use it for detailed work. And it does dry tack free, so it's no wipe. Then the next day we got this purple glitter, and this is what it looks like. Super pretty. I do like it a lot. Then the next day we got this really nice acrylic unicorn, and it does have their logo on it. And then the final day we got this humour-free gel polish in this pale pink. So yeah, really liking these 4 days. I had an issue with one of the boxes in the previous video if you want to go back and watch it. But yeah, I really like these. Yeah, super duper happy. So yeah, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you in another video, guys.